Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Grunt Build. Today I try not to get my head chopped off by a garage door.
So what we have here is a disgusting mess that's falling apart. As you can see, like, this home has had about 16 years of a wood door, and now I get to replace it because that's what we do.
So I went to Home Depot yesterday and I got this Clopay standard garage door. It's one approved by my HOA, and they have been constantly on me for not changing my garage doors. So we're actually going to go through and unbox and separate all the materials that we need to get this done. We're going to have a lot of fun trying to put this together, and we're going to see if I can do it or if we need to hire a professional. So the first thing they're asking us to do is lift up the garage so we can undo the spring that's up here. And what that requires is basically a C-clamp or some kind of vise to hold the garage door. So I'm gonna take this C-clamp and I'm just gonna put it up there. So I think that's gonna hold pretty good. I don't see any reason why that should come undone. There's probably another trick to this that I don't know, but we'll see. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna bring it up here. I'm gonna undo that spring. And I have the helmet cam on so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So like all this slack has been taken out of the spring from the door right there. And now we're going to just take that off. But see this tension cable right here still like, that runs on this spool right there. It has to come off. So we still gotta do some unbuckling, which is this. So we're gonna remove that because we got all new gear and all new stuff to take care of it. All right, so there's spring number 1 off. Be careful when you let go of that like last screw that holds tension in the wire. The weight of the spring will bring down the cable or the spring. But I'm gonna try something in reverse here, and I'm gonna see. Yep, there it goes. Much prettier. Much better. Look at that. Second time around, easy as pie. Sort of. There was something called garage door pie. No, that doesn't sound like something. Garage door pie. So I'm just going to bring down the door. I'm going to undo the spring. And yeah, this is the part where I was worried about getting my head chopped off. But it doesn't even look like the door is touching the spring or this clamp. So when we bring it down, this is a wood door. Like, this is going to be super heavy. So extreme caution. Caution. Alright, here we go. Oh. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Unleash the... Whoa! Yeah, and oh my God! They're not kidding, man. That door is super heavy. Holy crud. Hey, make sure that when you do this, you release your garage door opener. That thing is no joke heavy. Okay, now it's time to remove the doors from the hardware and get these old panels out of here. We're gonna remove them one at a time. Since I have all the track out and everything is gone and I have this rough opening, I'm going to paint and clean it up and see if any wood needs to be replaced, if it's rotted. Here we've already taken the first set of hinges onto the bottom side of the door with the weather track. Now you can tell that this is the bottom because it has this weather track on here, and then these two hinges get attached with their little safety knobs that get inserted there, and then you can tell specifically in this door it actually has this number 1 on there. So now I'm going to actually take that up and put this door into place by following the step 9 of the directions. So I'm just going to put that into place. Quite literally, the manufacturer has this catered specifically to fit within this rough opening with your weather stripping, with this stuff right here. And so, I mean, it is just barely fitting. Section is panel number 2, same as before. We're going to attach hardware here and there, and we're going to get ready to put on the next door, and we're just going to pop it right back in place with the next section. You'll notice that the hinges have little numbers here, and these little numbers right here that allow me to attach the center line, all the doors from the center line up are actually going to be number 1s. What's interesting on the second panel, number 2, that little 2 down there, is the second type of hinge that goes on there. And you can tell if you were reading a 2, this would be upside down. This is much better right here. So you can see that, like, when this next panel goes on, you'll have 2 number 2s and 1 center line for 1. The next door is actually going to be a 3. As we're going along, we're going to actually attach the hinges from the bottom to the top in succession. So number 1 will then come up to number 2. Number 1 will go up to number 2. And then this one will go into the third panel. Right here as well, this is where they start asking you to put on the little rubber wheels. These are really good. These are actually, they've got bearings in them, solid rubber. I think they're gonna work out great compared to my last polymer ones that kind of disintegrated over time. So that's simple. I mean, it's just sliding it right in there. Okay, now I'm on the third door, and now I'm just gonna run all the hinge hardware on there with the bolts, attaching a 3, 1, and 3. Now I wanted to give you a better look at what this looks like when we attach these. So it's just, I mean, simple, very simple. Just a matter of clicking those up and putting those on. Just attach them real quick.